Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to search for someone on PayPal. Now once you're inside your PayPal account, guys, if you look towards your right hand side, if you will see our search icon, and here it says search. You can either click on this to search for someone, or if you recently send someone some money or receive some money, you'll find those people underneath your sent again. But in order to search, all you have to do is simply click on search. Now you'll be taken over to this page here where you can either search by name, username, email address, or even the phone number. So depending on who you're searching for, depending on how you choose to search, you can just either search by using one of these four types, right? Now you can also see the option that says show all contacts, so you can also look up people that way. So if you have a lot of contacts there, you can always click on show all contacts, and that's going to show you all the people in your contact list. And this is going to also go through your current account that is linked to it. So if you have it on your if you have this account connected in your phone or something, and you've synced your contacts from your mobile, it's going to show you all of those people who currently have a PayPal account, and you'll be able to scroll through and you'll find those people. Keep in mind that the contacts that you're seeing here does not necessarily mean that all of these people have a PayPal account, but the way how you can identify if those people have a PayPal account is underneath their name. You will see a at on the PayPal account name or username, right? So that's how you can see, for example, this person have a PayPal account, right? I scroll down, this person also have a PayPal account, and so forth. So that's how you go ahead and find those people who have a PayPal account. And that's how you basically search, guys. Very easy and very simple.